Hey, this is Josh at Nudie's. We're going over a common problem in the auto body industry when it comes to collision repair, which is what do you do with your bare metal after you get it back from the sandblaster or the car being stripped or something like that. This is a typical situation where you see where the car has sat in bare metal for too long. Most people think that when you blast it, it's good to go and you can work on the car, it can sit for a period of time, and then when you seal it with an epoxy or whatever you put over top of it, it's good to go. But when actuality, you need to seal it within about 24 hours because steel and aluminum start corroding instantly and can cause problems. Now, what are you going to see in this situation? If you look at that rocker, you can see how it looks like clean metal. And this paint job's about 10 years old, but you can see it's coming off in big sheets because it sat too long, which is more than 24, maybe 48 hours, especially in humid conditions, and so nothing stuck. So if you see your car in a shop and it's in bare metal, and it's been in bare metal for a week or a month or 6 months, and all of a sudden it shows up in primer and it hasn't been blasted, or it hasn't been sanded completely and entirely or acid washed, you got issues. So thanks, and there you go.